Keep your visitors informed and your site looking professional during updates, even if those updates are unexpected. When you're busy revamping your WordPress site, whether it's a major overhaul or a quick fix, you don't want visitors seeing a broken or unfinished page. That's where maintenance mode comes in. It displays a temporary, friendly under construction page to your visitors while you get things done behind the scenes. Let's explore how to set this up. The easiest way is with a plugin. Head to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to plugins, and then add new. Here, you can search for maintenance mode or under construction plugins. Many excellent free options are available. Install your chosen plugin and then click activate. Once activated, you'll usually find the plugin settings either under its own menu item or within the settings section of your dashboard. Look for an option to enable maintenance mode. Simply toggle it on. Now, when anyone visits your site, they'll see that professional under construction page instead of a potentially embarrassing broken site. You can often customize this temporary page with your logo, a brief message explaining the downtime, and even social media links. Remember to disable maintenance mode once your updates are complete. You can usually do this from the same plugin settings page. Just toggle it off. For those comfortable with a bit more technical control, you can also manually enable maintenance mode. This often involves creating a simple HTML file named maintenancefile in your WordPress root directory. You can then create a access rule to redirect all visitors to this file. However, for simplicity and ease of management, using a dedicated maintenance mode plugin is generally the most straightforward and recommended approach for most WordPress users. So, there you have it. Keeping your WordPress site looking its best, even during important updates, is a breeze with maintenance mode. Visit our site for more WordPress tips and tricks.